it's me, Allie, obviously. I mean, yeah, okay. I'm here to do another cover. I'm going to be doing Lay Me Down by Sam Smith, but I'm doing female and it's starting. Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the days just seem so dark, the moon and the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you tonight. This emptiness, this hole I'm inside, these tears, they tell their own story. Told me not to cry when you were gone, but the feeling's overwhelming. It's much too strong. Can I lay by your side, next to you, and make sure you're alright? I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be if I can't be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call? This hurt that I've been through, I'm missing you like crazy. Can I lay by your side, next to you, and make sure you're alright? I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be if I can't be with you tonight. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. And then that's the end of that, because it was a demo. Yeah, okay. Like and subscribe. I love you. Bye.